Hey, welcome to day 2 of the 10-day belly fat blasting workout challenge. We have a seated ab workout for you, so let's jump right into it. We are gonna start off with some toe reaches. All you're doing is putting your legs out in front of you. You're gonna slide your hands down your legs, get to your toes. We're really focusing on our lower abs here, just like this. Boom, then we're gonna move into some side punches. Sit up nice and tall. Plant your feet, arms up. This will be our first starting position. Elbows tucked up high, and then we're rotating over, trying to bring our arm parallel to our eyebrow line. So we're here, boom, reaching across. You're gonna feel it all up in your obliques, just like that. Then we move on to flutter kicks, legs back out in front of us. You can hold onto your bench, your stool, couch, whatever you're using. Lean back, and all we're gonna do, point our toes and kick those legs. Keep it nice and small movements. You're gonna really feel it in your core. And then last, we're gonna end with some windmills. Back to that seated position, 90-degree angle with your legs, arms out to the side, and all we're doing is alternating between touching the ground, getting one arm to the sky, really feeling it. This is a nice twisting motion, just like this. I also like to breathe when I'm at the top. And there you have it, those are 4 exercises. So let's get started with set number 1. Toe reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. There it is, just really reach forward. You're gonna feel it in your legs as well, but if you focus your intention on your core and just make the motion of pulling from your core, where your hips right here, this is what's driving you forward, or driving you up, I should say. Just like that. You're doing great. Make sure you're breathing through all of this. One more here. And up, great job. Next, you're gonna move into side punches. Sit up nice and tall, arms up, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really reach, extend to the side. Try to keep your lower body fixed in this position and really have the twisting motion coming from the top half of your body. Really reach. If this is difficult for you, or you feel like maybe something in your shoulders, whatever it is, just focus on twisting. You could do something like this. And this will also work by just making it a little more engaging and fun with some fighting stuff. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, moving on to those flutter kicks. Here's where it's really gonna tax our core. 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really push your belly, or pull your belly button to your spine. You don't have to be doing super high flutter kicks. Keep it low, but you're gonna feel it really extend. Think as if there's like strings attached to your abs, to your legs that are causing your feet to move. Just like that. Keep a nice cadence. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Last, let's end with some windmills. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really reach. Just like this. You're doing great. You're gonna feel it all up in your obliques. Almost becomes like a mini crunch as well. There it is. One more, and down. Great job. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump into set number 2 right now. Toe reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Side punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Flutter kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Windmills, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, great job. Set number 2 done. Now we're gonna move right into set number 3. Toe reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Side punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Flutter kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Windmills, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That's day 2 done and dusted. Hopefully you loved that workout. And if you did, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming at you. We have 8 more days of these belly fat blasting workouts. So tune in tomorrow with Coach Gabby. She's gonna put you through a great workout. And I will see you on day 4. So stay strong, my friend. Peace.